My boyfriend came back from Sri Lanka and I want to show you his pasalubongs. So what he got me. So, tada! First item. It's the Stitch slippers. And I'm wearing Stitch socks right now. So cute. Tada! Another Stitch. Ano, he was walking, I don't know, somewhere, and then he saw this and said it reminded me. It reminded him of me. Tapos, ayan, he bought it. So cute, see. And then, diba, like, like the squishes and whatever. He got me a slime. Ta-da! There's 2 cups with R. Rhea. R feel. Okay. Next item. This cute Percy. It was here. It's from Sposimon. From Sposimon. These are vitamin C. Am I saying it correct? Like oil relief. Here. Tada. Cleanser. May pa-compa. It's a cute phone case. It's a bunch of keychains. I think he's gonna give this to, I don't know, like as a pasalubong to friends. I love Sri Lanka. Give like something like this. Parang it's the evil eye. And I know what kind of charm, but so there's these are ref magnets. Oh, there's one more of the bracelet. So sheets. Oh, I like this one. Money. More money. More money. Hilig sa money. Tada. Like, ooh, sugar. Like sa Pinas. Bandi sa amin. Bandi sa Aklan. Me with peanuts. And ask ko siya na, can you buy me a coloring book? I have 2 coloring books. And then, color pens. Ta-da! It's because nagpabili ako ng pen. Mayroong pencil case. Aww, nice choice. Very cutesy. It matches. Yay! Ano yung It's very nice. Ano kasi to? It's because, there's like the kiddie meal from McDo. Meron silang coloring book. And then, I find it like therapeutic at work. So I asked, can you please buy me some coloring books? See, it's so nicey. I love dogs, okay? And look what he bought. Dog lovers. So nicey, my baby. Thoughtful. It's a bracelet. It's a bracelet and it's saying, one day you will meet someone worth all your laugh and tears, who will treat you the best, who will make you his or her priority. And I found that someone, like, seriously. Naiyak ako. Parang tanga. Nice choice. One more. Ooh. One more clip. This is cute. More Stitch. Remember this one? This was when they were at the beach. And then yung merong player, yung kay Elvis. I remember it was this one. I don't know what episode, but that one. Ooh! It's a cute Labubu! Oh my gosh. It's a sharpener! Nice! Another Stitch. Ang cute ng jowa kong to. Kasi, I'm gonna put this in my bag. It's so cutesy. Another bracelet. Nail polish. One is from his sister. Bring this to work, but there are pen tips at work. Someone is watching, like, I know one is watching, will be watching this. You know who you are. Abby. Ooh. It's a necklace. See. Snowflake. It's a snowflake. Oh my gosh. Like, really? It's so cute. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. So freaking cute. Labubu. Labu. One more. And then hair clip. Hair clip and another charm. I know it sounds so childish, like someone as grown up like me who likes Stitch, but it's so cute. See, I really appreciate. You know how when people remembers like what you want. It's so cutesy. So that's all. So that's all for now. And then the other pasalubong is him like coming home to me. Bye.